Hey guys, we're working on an 89 F150. I'm going to show you how to replace the side marker lens and remove the entire headlight if you wanted to replace that. So first thing we're going to do is take this piece of trim off. There's these little trim fasteners. They've got a screw in the middle. You unscrew them and then you can pull them out. They look like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take all those off and get this piece of trim, and then we're going to take the grill out. To remove the grill, there's two more of those trim pieces of hardware here and over in that top right corner, and then there's clips at each corner, and if you pull them down they will unclip and you can pull the grill out and it should come right out. To remove the headlight assembly, there's a nut there and a nut there, and then a screw right there, and then there's two nuts, one right there and one a little lower than that under the plug for the side marker light. You take all those out and the whole assembly will be able to come out. If you're just replacing the side marker, you can just pull off this nut, and that bolt, and then you'll be able to pry this thing out. It might get a little bit stuck up where this bolt goes through, but I was able to finagle it a little bit and pull it out. If you're doing just side markers and not the actual headlights, then these studs will most likely have to be removed. They just unscrew from the old one. Just grab them with the pliers and unscrew them. And then screw them back in here. And then you can put it back into the assembly. And then installation is just reverse of that. Put everything back together, put your grill back in, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.